Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Tashrawati. I master student majoring in Islamic education with Bukit Tinggi. I will present to you journal about role of the Islamic education teacher in the moral improvement of learners. On this occasion, I will present the about of the journal. Abstract. This research address the moral decline among student. Example by violence against teacher and student brawls. It highlights the role of Islamic education teacher in improving student morals. Using in description, quality, efforts, and student identify and key role of Islamic education teacher. Number one, as educator, what instill moral through towards religion, activity and culture, habit, 5S, smile, Grancy, Salim, polit, and authors. Number two, as a ruler, modeling words, profit, positive example to student, entry, as evaluator, what conduct comprehensive assessment covering analytical, effectivity, and physicomotor aspect. On the occasion, I will present the introduction of the journal. Number one, moral decline among student. The research Anderson in short like violence against teacher and student brawls, highlighting the need for improvement in student morals. Number two, role of Islamic education teacher. It identifies three curricular role of Islamic education teacher as educator, instilling moral values and role modeling, providing positive example, and as evaluator, education comprehensive assessment. Next, infrastructure to teacher behavior, creating Mohibin Sheikh, the study exposed the teacher average behavior is vital as negative perfection and hinder student learning and achievement. Nice. Islamic education rules. Islamic religion education is present and a key subject, the foster moral development, strong training, good role modeling, and disciplinary measures. Rules focus the student and the explorer the significance of moral issue among students, leading to the details. The role of Islamic education teacher in improving student moral at Junior Hill School Negeri 2 Anjung Jember in academic years to Tuesday 20 2021. On this occasion, I will present to finding and discussion. The short discussion finding derived from fieldwork, including observation, interview, and documentation. The research described the results by comparing and confirming the in relation and the planet research focus. Number one, summary of the role of Islamic education teacher in improving student moral at Junior Hill School Negeri 2 Anjung Jember. Number one, visible moral. The moral of student is evident in this dual school life, include worship, participate, and moral behavior, such and communal, prayer, and respectful interaction. Number two, teacher ruler, the improvement of student morals in closest linked to the dedication of teacher as educator. SM emphasized by Al-Ghazali principle of guidance student towards and closer relationship with Allah. Next, strategy steps Islamic education teacher next to implements effective strategies soon and as the 5S average smile, greeting, salim, and quality behavior to foster student moral. Utilization of facility, teacher maximis religion facility, example, prayer room, library to educate student knowledge of Islam, strong regular spiritual guidance. Next, education goals. The role of teacher include providing direction and motivation of varying learning resources and aiding in the development of student attitude and flow. Next, behavior classification, cognitive, understanding self environment, affective, emotional, response and feeling, cognitive, internal, derived to executive goals, motor, physical, action and movement. Next, education. Teachers are expected to go beyond more teaching to instill faith and good moral in student, reward integrity and community, especially in regulation education. Next, the land habits. Islamic regulation education teacher aim to instill good moral in student so that the follow become part of the land life. Summary of the role of Islamic education teacher as modeling informal student moralis and junior high school negeri to Anjung Jember. Number one, role model important. Islamic education teacher as role model significantly enhance student moral by demonstrasi positive behaviors the student are likes to imitate. Number one, awareness of shortcoming teacher must recognize the one shortcomings and works to enforce student morals as emphasized by Nurdin regarding the importance of acknowledging mistakes. Number three, exemplary attitude. Islamic education teacher display exemplary behavior. B, consistency, correcting student and encouraging prior motivation student to maintain good moral and the relation, demonstrasi discipline and responsibility but both in and out of a classroom. 5, building relationship according to Sardiman teacher school street to understand and connect with student to foster and closer relationship, especially with middle schoolers where are seeking the identity. Next, extension to ke SXT Mulyasa Hinglex servers information area for teacher to focus essential attitude, displaying a positive psychological posture in facial situation, spec and style, using language effectively and as tool for thinking, war habits, cultivating and consistent style in what they reflects personal flow, learning from mistakes, understanding the relation between experience and personal flow, personal presentation, culting and experience of personality, human relation, again in respectful and moral interaction. Conclusion: Islamic academic teacher to guidance student toward good morals and ramming the of improvised behavior, set a positive example, the encourages student to reflect good behavior in the life, provide engaging example during lesson, such as greeting, praying together, and promoting good deeds, learning student to naturally imitate the behaviors. Next, summary of the role of Islamic education teacher as evaluation as junior high school negeri to Anjung Jambar. Number one, improving student morals. Islamic education teacher play a curricular role in enhancing student morally, which serve as benchmark for the success of education goals. Number two, evaluator roles. Teacher and evaluator assessing the step necessary to enforce student morals, as noted by Dimayanti and Mujiono, who expensive the complex of evaluation and learning. Number three, comprehensive evaluation. Teacher evaluation student across first fits cognitive and physicomotor aspect. Strategies include implemented the 5S program, conduction Islamic student and flowing culture Lela Rosen and Ascension. Next, function of evaluation. According to Win Sanjaya, evaluation service to determine student success, achieving education goals, assessment teacher, effectivity in delivering planning activity. Next, holistic assessment. Evaluation encompass not just academic performance but also social behavior, addressing but addressing and intrinsic aspect of student evaluation as highlighted by Hanifah. Next, research finding. Muhammad Holil student study focused of moral development through guidance, example, and behavior habitats supported by cooperation among teacher and staff. Anitul Felicity student investigator strategy of improving student moral through extracurricular activity like muhadarah and muhadarasah, hinglasting, everything planning and implementation. Doni Leo Riki Zulkarnaim study this concept of optimizing Islamic religion education to improve student moral, expensive individual and grade efforts and engagement within school curricula. Number 7, conclusion. Islamic education teacher average well important student moral, strong guidance and structural activity. The overall student behavior at institute like vocational negeri 1 Bayu Putih, reflection good moral standard, discipline, respect for teacher and adherence to Islamic flow. One the conclusion, I will present the conclusion on the junior journal. Conclusion basic on collection data. Number 1, role of Islamic education teacher in improving student moral. Islamic education teacher explain moral flow, thoughts, tahir, science, and the 5S culture, Habib, smile, greeting, politeness. They utilize religion facilities, prayer room, library, and extracurricular activities, Khatam Quran Islamic student to exchange student moral. Islamic education teacher and role model. Teacher strict to explain good behavior, excellent and speak according to Islamic principles. Them to set positive examples. They encourage student to reflect good behavior in their life. Teacher demonstrasi reflects examples during lesson, soak and greeting, praying together, and providing constructive guidance. 3. Islamic education teacher as evaluation. They conduct comprehensive evaluation. They include cognitive, affective, DALS-TEC, mid-term and final exam, affective aspect, discipline and excellence, and honesty in communal, physicomotor aspect, observasi behavior like handshakes and handshakes and granting among student and teacher. Okay, next conclusion. Role of Islamic academic teacher. Islamic academic teacher education student and improve the morality by explaining moral value together, sincere and 5S culture Habib, smile, crisis, politics, courtesy. Number 2, setting a good example. A teacher. Step 2, maintain his standards in behavior, dress, and speech according to Islamic principle. Profit positive examples to get good feedback in student daily life. Demonstrasi real life practice during lesson, such as greeting, flying together, and flying constructive garden. Number 3, comprehensive evaluation. Teacher conducts an evaluation the compass, kunness affect try testi, mid test me, and final exam. Affects affective display and exit and honesty in community. Physicomotor aspect observasi student behavioral like handshake and granting among friend and teacher. Maybe Enoch Hay may speak. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.